Okay, first one of the day, straight in at the deep end, Yamaha MT-07 Tracer. This is in for one of our legendary full Monty valets. This is a returning client. I've done his T-Max before. He has recently acquired this, been using it as a commuter. Doesn't look like it has been cleaned in some time. Definitely hasn't been properly protected, as it's got quite a few rusty nuts and bolts here and there. These are lovely bikes, these MTs, but if you don't get them properly protected from new, they will corrode. We've got our work cut out for us with that exhaust to get all that minted up. Probably have to take the little belly pan spoilers off. I said this is in for one of our full Monty valets. Obviously going to need a little extra attention here and there. Remove this windscreen, get all that polished up, all the usual bits and pieces which we do. Get this silly sticker off of there. It's got some powder coating coming off the swing arm. A lot of these do deteriorate once they get a bit of moisture under there. I will dust that with a bit of black. It won't be perfect, but it will cover up the flaking. So, got a blue sky. Let's work a little trot magic. Watch this space. Okay, 3.5 hours. I have done what I can with this old girl. She's is in a pretty bad state. This is more of a restoration project, but like I said, I've done what I can with the valet. I've touched up loads of rusty bits and pieces, paint flaking off. I've given it a good coating of the XCP corrosion protection, cleaned up those exhausts the best I can, all the wheels, all the inner discs, everything has been sorted. Loads of rusty nuts and bolts. Like I said, it's more of a restoration project. I have dusted that sprocket with a bit of black as it was red rusty. Gave the chain a good degrease. Done the best I can with that collector box down there. It's pretty bad. Just did a single stage polish on the bodywork, trying to get a bit of gloss back to it. I did have to paint those wheels as well. Once I got all the muck off, they were all chipped up. They look pretty sweet now. I said, by no means is this perfect. 3.5 hours is all I've got time to do on this. But yeah, looks a hell of a lot better. If you're going to buy one of these bikes new, best thing to do is get it protected from new. Bring it down to us. We do a new bike package. It would have prevented all of this corrosion that's on this bike, keeping your bike nice years to come. Anyway, give us a call. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.